Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can create a star rating system in Excel cell. So if you want to create a dynamic visual rating system, for example repeating a star 5 to 1 time based on a cell value, then you need to use the repeat function. For example, if cell A4 contains a rating number like 5, enter this formula in the adjacent cell. So put the equal sign, type REPT repeat function, open the bracket. Now type uni char, open the bracket, 9733, the character code, close the bracket, comma, space, and select the cell reference and close the bracket, hit enter. And here you can see that just drag the formula. So 9733 automatically tells Excel to generate the solid star like black one. If you want to insert the outline star, for this you need to change the formula. For this you need to change the character code 9734 and hit enter. And here you can see that Excel will automatically repeat the star character the exact number of times specified in that cell. So this way you can easily create a star rating system in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.